Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, starting off with Euro USD as usual, and nothing really has transpired from yesterday. We do have a fairly important level here that we need to pay attention to, and that is 111.060. If we get back down to the hour, which is what we want to be trading, you can see we are pretty much above and below that level right now. Nothing really in it. My suspicion at the moment is we're more than likely going to be moving to the downside. So just have a look at the price action yesterday on the 15-minute. It was big down, big up, big down, and look at that rejection off the 155 there. So I'd be watching this level today, 111.060. 15-minute oscillators looking interesting, and the 1 hour oscillators definitely looking interesting for another move to the downside. So wait for Europe to open, and I would do this on the 15-minute, to be honest. You'll see that we should form some form of a range, and any rejection of 111.155 is an opportunity to be short, and then the other way is to take that trend line there. So a break below this bit of structure that's formed here on the 15 and a retest of it somewhere around 110, probably 111. I think 111 would be the decent area. And I see there is a little level there. That's 110.985, so that's pretty close to 111. Let's just come back to the hour. That's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. Once we clear these levels here, good opportunity to be short. Tight top stop loss, that's why I say use a 15-minute. US dollar Japanese yen, pointed out this flat top triangle yesterday on the 8-hour. You see it on the daily as well. So that is what we should be paying attention to today. And I wouldn't be wanting to go long up here. I'd want to pull back onto some form of structure, and there is a decent bit of structure roughly in this area at 115.258. So looking at the 1 hour, I can see you could argue that that test of this structure here has happened already. 115.258. Look at this pin bar here. Don't like the way the oscillators are looking. We're getting back to the top of the triangle. I suspect some kind of a pullback onto something, and there is another little bit of structure down here at 115.463. So those are the two levels I'd see for a pullback. If that fails, then we're looking for a break of 115.755, but I'm not interested in trading the break. I want to see the pullback back to come and test the break, and that would give me long on this pair. British pound, Japanese yen, all over the place at the moment. Remember yesterday I said to you, are we forming a double top or are we forming a range? And at the moment it looks like a range. So areas to pay attention to at the moment, and I'm going to have to put quite a few levels on in here. So somewhere between where we are now at 155.146 and 155.600. If we reject this area, then you're looking for a move to the downside. I'm not entirely convinced that that may happen just yet, and if we look at the hour, you'll see why. So we've got a crossover the moving averages. We're above the 155 EMA, and look at all these breaks that we've had in this area here. So probably a rejection of 155.146, but on the hour it could be just a pullback onto one of these breakouts. So any one of these tails here, could price come back onto that, find some support there, and then move up to what is our top of range at 155.600. So that's kind of the view that I've got there, and I suspect that is going to continue playing out. And I'll show you now with Euro British Pound why we say that. What's happened here is we have finally got a decent close below this weekly level of 183.050. So that is in. It's been chaotic since December trying to get through this level, and now we have it. So we're looking for a pullback onto that for an opportunity to continue shorting this pair. So there you can see yesterday's price action, lots of chaos at this level. You see what's that, over 4 hours trying to bounce off here and move to the upside. Failed horribly. So quite simple this one. If we can get one of these levels to play with us, doesn't want to work. Oh, and it looks like my chart has just died. Anyway, so what we're looking for is a pullback into this zone here, and that is around 0.83.200. 0.83.200, pull back into that area, and then we're looking for an opportunity for it to continue to the downside. Anyway, that's kind of my view with Forex today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.